Hi, this is Yichao. I love New York, but I had a problem. After the first couple of visits, I don't know where else to go besides a handful of well-known sites. What I'm really looking for, however, are the places where locals go. It could be a bar, a restaurant, or a park, where you can strike up a casual conversation with New Yorkers and find local specials and secrets. If you have the same problem, now I have a solution. The solution is InsideScoop. It's a geotag-based web app that helps tourists discover the space where locals frequent. Let's take a look at the app. So what you're looking at are 500,000 geo-tweets by New Yorkers in the city. I ask you to select a business to start and draw a circle covering the places you want to visit. After you draw the circle, 10 pings will be returned with the top recommendation, Museum of Art and Design. You may be a bit surprised because this museum is not the most famous one in New York. Nevertheless, it's one of the top attractions for New Yorkers, and in fact, there was a recent article on Wall Street Journal claiming the commercial success of the museum by introducing works from local manufacturers. We can also start by searching, for example, Meatpacking District. I know there are a lot of bars and upscale restaurants in the area. Let's do bars. And let's select this area. You start from there. So, how did I build the app? Well, there are a couple of questions that I asked myself. The first one was, how do I distinguish locals versus tourists? There are about 16,000 unique IDs responsible for all the geo-tweets in New York. I plot the frequency distribution of all the unique IDs as a function of the ratio of the geo-tweets in New York over worldwide. And I saw a long-tail distribution. I set 20% at the bar. On the left are tourists, on the right are locals. And I plot the two maps by tourists and locals, put them side by side. It becomes immediately obvious that the geo-tweets by locals are much more diffusive than by tourists, which makes sense. Now we have all the geo-tweets by locals. When you draw a circle, I call Google Place API to return me a handful of their recommendations. I re-rank their recommendation based on how many geo-tweets around every point of interest. For example, now we have two recommendations. Number 1 has fewer geo-tweets than number 2, so according to my algorithm, their order switched. So I built up this app using a couple of APIs for gathering data, using MySQL for database management, using Python, HTML, JavaScript for analyzing the data and building the web app. Again, I'm Yichao Tan. I just got my PhD from Harvard Physics. At Harvard, I discovered that light may be more twisted than people had ever conceived. And I will leave you with a fine illustration of my work. Thank you.